Hey guys, it's Daniel. For today's trainer tip, I wanted to show you um, a couple of exercises that can be used to address tension headaches. So, not all tension headaches are going to be fixed by this, but those that are maybe caused by a tightness in either the upper trap muscles or the suboccipital muscles, which are the little muscles that connect um, the actual skull to the spine. When those muscles get tight, that's when we get that sort of tense feeling that originates in the back of our head and kind of feels like it travels all around. Um, and some ways to actually address that is if we just go ahead and simply stretch out those muscles. So the upper traps, I've got a picture of them right here in my book that I wanted to show you just in case you may not know exactly why it is that this is happening. So the upper traps, as you can tell right there in the upper portion, that muscle, that connects right at the base of the skull. And it goes down pretty low, a little bit close to the back of our shoulders on the shoulder blade. So sometimes that pain can even travel down a little bit. So to stretch this muscle out, what you want to do is, let's say I want to stretch this left side out. I just want to grab the side of my head with the right hand and side bend, and if I'm in a chair, I can go ahead and grab onto my chair to stabilize that left trap, and then just give it a nice little pull, okay? And then you'll just hold that for about 20 to 30 seconds. You'll do the same thing on the other side. That's the first step in this, one of the things you can do. And then the suboccipitals, those muscles are actually really small. And this picture here kind of does a good job of showing you. There is the skull right there, the back of the skull. And as you can tell, it's several muscles that are responsible for extending and side bending our head on that junction where it meets the spine. So sometimes it gets really tight because a lot of the times, we've got that natural head posture. So those muscles just develop tightness over time. So it's nice to be able to stretch them every now and then. So the stretch for that one would be, so we want to start by tucking our chin in like this, and then kind of nodding our head forward. On this one, it's important to remember that we're not just stretching our neck, okay? Because a lot of times what's really easy to do is to just pull forward, and we're going to feel that stretch down here. You want to tuck that chin in so that we actually get that stretch at the base of the skull, and then that way we can actually feel it right there. It might help sometimes to do a little bit of nodding slowly prior, kind of just to warm up. But that's a really good stretch too. And not saying it's always going to help, but these stretches and incorporating them into your daily routine may help prevent and treat some tension headaches that you guys may be experiencing due to these muscle tightnesses. So hope you guys enjoyed today's tip, and we'll see you next time, okay?